Good afternoon, sir. In this video, I will demonstrate how to scan for vulnerabilities using Burpsuit. I will show how to intercept requests for form SQL injection, XSS attack, and identify and secure object reference. That's all. Then see you in the for activity. I will upload. That's all. Thank you. Good afternoon. Then I will be doing the perform SQL injection. Like the other one that can intercept HTTP request, load the login. Okay, login. Login Altoro, Matulbars, then sign in. Now I will be doing the test. No. I'll be modifying the parameter, like I will be putting the SQLi injection. Forward, okay, and then I will forward it again. Yun. Show the SQL commands into the login form. Explain how this allow an attacker's bypass. Okay, then we will be login again. Okay, log out again using our SQLi injection and login. Okay, then login again. We inside again the website, and this website they can attack off the hackers. It's very vulnerable in hackers by using SQLi injection. Explain this is in by passing a notification. Explain how to allow attack by passing a notification. This website can be very vulnerable on hackers. They can interrupt the account. They can get your credentials and other your details, where you're from, and your bank account inside in your website. Okay, that's all in perform SQL injection. Thank you.